When a customer requests an invoice for a particular order, as usual, you'll start by clicking on the Sales Order Details screen. In the new window that opens up, find the actual order that you need, and before going any further, immediately go to the lower right-hand corner in the column titled Line Progress 1 Report and make sure that the line has been invoiced. If it hasn't, you're wasting your time. But assuming that it has been invoiced, then simply click on the Inquiries button in the upper right-hand area of that window. From the list of drop-down choices, click on the word Invoice. In the new window that pops up, called the Invoice Journal, you'll see a line of technobabble that you needn't worry about. Simply go to the right side of the screen and then click on the Preview Print button in the upper right-hand corner. From the choices that drop down, click on Original Preview. A new window will open, and on top of it, you may see an info log, an error message telling you that you have a printer problem, that the edge of the page has exceeded the necessary width, blah, blah, blah. Forget that. Just click on Close to get it out of your way. Review the PDF that's been displayed to make sure that, in fact, it provides the information your customer needs. And now you're ready to do one of three things with it. Go to the Printer button in the upper left-hand corner and click on it. In the new window that appears, you'll see that you have three choices. It defaults to Printer. If you have a local printer attached to your computer, it'll probably find it, and if you click on OK, hopefully it will simply print that PDF for you. You could also click on the word File in the upper left-hand corner, change the file format to PDF embed fonts, click on the folder icon to choose a saving location, and if you're tech savvy, that'll all work out fine. But this process is not for the faint of heart. Most of you will simply want to email the recipient. Having clicked on that, then change the message format from ASCII to PDF embed fonts. Leave everything else blank, even though that seems counterintuitive, and click on the OK button. Notice that the wheel is spinning. This may take a little while, but before long, an empty email appears with an Exapta report PDF already attached to it. That's the invoice. Fill in the email address of your customer, type in a subject for the message, type in an actual message to the customer, and then simply click on the Send button, and the invoice is on its way to the customer.